The next reaction in your topic is oxidation reduction, which means oxykaran abhikriya. It can be defined as addition of oxygen to an element is called oxidation reaction. For example, if oxygen is added to copper, copper oxide is formed. In this equation, oxidation of copper takes place, so you can say that it is a oxidation reaction. The next topic is reduction reaction. This can be defined as addition of hydrogen to an element or compound is called reduction reaction. For example, if copper oxide is reacts with hydrogen gas, or when we flow hydrogen in copper oxide, then Cu remains and H2 reacts with oxygen, and as a result of that Cu and H2O are formed. Here reduction of Cu takes place. In the above reaction, oxidation of Cu takes place because oxygen is added to copper. In this reaction, reduction of Cu takes place because hydrogen is added or removed from here. हम कह सकते हैं कि यदि किसी एलिमेंट में ऑक्सीजन ऐड होता है तो इस रिएक्शन को हम ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन कहते हैं. जैसे कॉपर में ऑक्सीजन ऐड हुआ है और कॉपर ऑक्साइड बना हुआ है, तो यहां कहा जाएगा कि कॉपर का ऑक्सीकरण या ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ है. एज ए रिवर्स, ऐसी रिएक्शन जिसमें से हाइड्रोजन का रिमूवल हो या एडिशन हो, दोनों कंडीशंस में आप इसको कहते हैं कि यह एक रिडक्शन रिएक्शन है. जैसे कॉपर ऑक्साइड है, इसकी रिएक्शन हाइड्रोजन से होती है. देखिए यहां से ऑक्सीजन का रिमूवल हो गया है, इसलिए हम इसको कहते हैं कि यह एक रिडक्शन रिएक्शन है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. Next is redox reaction, which can be defined as the reaction in which oxidation and reduction reactions happens together is called redox reaction. We can say that in this reaction one element shows oxidation and other element shows reduction, and both of elements together shows redox reaction. For example, FeCl3 plus SnCl2 gives SnCl4 and FeCl2. You can see that 2FeCl3 and SnCl2 reacts with each other, and as a result of that SnCl4 and FeCl2 is formed. This is a balanced chemical equation, and here the oxidation is taking place in Sn and reduction is taking place in Fe. How can you confirm? I will tell. ऐसी रिएक्शन जिसमें ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन दोनों एक साथ हो रहे हों उसे रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन कहते हैं। जैसे FeCl3 और SnCl2 रिएक्ट करते हैं और SnCl4 और FeCl2 बनता है। इसको कैसे कंफर्म करेंगे, इसको मैं आपको आयन इलेक्ट्रॉन मेथड के द्वारा बताता हूं। लेट्स स्टार्ट कंफर्मिंग इट दैट विच इज टेकिंग under oxidation and which is under reduction. Let's see. At first we will write skeleton equation. For example, FeCl3 and SnCl2 reacts with each other, and as a result of that FeCl2 and SnCl4 is formed. This is a skeleton equation. As I have told you that a skeleton equation is imbalance equation, then we will write it in ionic form. As you know, chlorine has 1 minus negative charge on it, so we can write Fe triple plus 3Cl minus Sn double plus and 2Cl minus gives Fe double plus 2Cl minus and Sn 4 plus and 4Cl minus. Here what will you see? Fe is combined with 3Cl. That confirms that the charges of Fe is 3, while Sn is combined with 2Cl. That confirms that Sn has 2 positive charge, which is written in second line. In the same way, Fe has 2Cl, so it has 2 positive charge, and Sn has 4Cl, so it has 4 positive charge. Here you will see that Cl is common in everywhere, so we take only Fe triple plus ion and Sn double plus ion from left side of the equation. We know that Fe is changing into Fe double plus ion. That means Fe triple plus ion is converted into Fe double plus ion, and Sn double plus ion is converted into Sn 4 plus ion. How it is happened? The question arises, how it is happened? The answer is that Fe receives an electron and its reduction is taking place, and Sn is donating its 2 electron, so its oxidation is taking place. To make balance this equation, as you see, here is 1 electron in left side and here is 2 electrons in right side. to balance the number of electrons, we will have to multiply by 2 in the first reaction or first equation. You can write that 2Fe triple plus ion plus 2 electron gives 2Fe double plus ion, and it is unchanged, so you can write Sn double plus ion gives Sn 4 plus ion and 2 electrons. As you know that 2 electrons are present in both sides of the equation, in left side as well as in right side, so they will cancel, and when we add it, we should write Fe 2Fe triple plus plus Sn double plus gives 2Fe double plus plus Sn 4 plus ions. What will happen again? I will tell. Now we will write the number of ions as we have replaced it before. Here 2Fe double plus 2Fe triple plus ion plus 3Cl minus ion, because Fe has 3 plus ions, so it will be neutral by 3 minus ions. In the same way, we will write Sn double plus ion and 2Cl minus ion, which gives 2Fe double plus ion and 2Cl minus ion and Sn 4 plus ion plus 4Cl minus ion. When we will add the following ions, we can write that 2Fe Cl3 plus Sn Cl4, Sn Cl2 gives 2Fe Cl2 plus Sn Cl4. That confirms that the valency of Fe decreases, so it is clear that its reduction is taking place, and the valency of Sn increases, so it's confirmed that Sn is oxidizing or its oxidation is taking place, so we can confirm it that how one element is undergoing to oxidation or reduction. That's all for today. We will meet in next class. Thank you.